How's it going, guys? Here we are once again, Hot Wheels Mayorga's workshop. Well, today I went to pick up a great find at Chino, California. It's a good find. It's not that new of a new thing, but I got the 51st anniversary collection of 6 71 Datsun. We got that one right here. Then we got the Pontiac Firebird, 63 Chevy. We got the El Camino, real nice. Then we got the Superbird, and the Aristorat. It's pretty nice. It's a good collection. I'm still missing the golden one. Hopefully I'll get that one soon. This is the one that I customized with wheels. So I hope you like this new collection that I got. I was also able to get some stuff online. Let's see what we got here. Hey, for my stove. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Missile tow flatbed. Let's see, we also got this one. Pretty nice truck. It's a Ford. Well. We got the Custom Galaxy Ford C800. Let me see. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, we got an M2 machines. Pony Up. 66 Ford Mustang. We also have here another M2, 1965 Econoline. I like these because they have the, you know, the rack, the lift. Makes it look more. Oh, so we got 1, 2, 3. 4. So we got the Fast and the Furious. So there's the Acura. It's pretty nice. NXS 71 Plymouth GTX. The Jaguar XE-SV Project 8, and the other one's the same. Hey. So this is what I got, but the one that caught more of my attention was the golden collection, the golden ones. Pretty nice. Not bad, not bad. Well, I'm gonna put this away for a minute. Back in the box. So today I'm gonna show you one of those videos again, how to customize your car with nice tires. This time we're gonna choose the 1970 Roadrunner. It's pretty nice matte red, or matte, I'll say red. It's pretty nice. The wheels, they're okay. Oops, sorry. So we're going to customize it little by little. So this time I chose these wheels, gold. We'll see how they go. See how they fit. Small in the front, big in the back. So I'll show you right now. So basically this is the tools that we're going to need. The cutters. These are for the cutters too, for the wheels. I'm going to use some super glue. And always safety first. Wear your goggles. I'm going to use this little Ziploc bag for eye protection. That's what I call it. So why do I use this bag? I'll tell you why. Because once you start cutting these, let me see, I got the wrong, no, these are the pliers here, the cutters. So we're gonna, I'll show you the easy way. Okay, the easy way is, see how they pop? Could be your eye. So that's one way. The other way, if you want to save the axle, sometimes when you cut it, they come out like that in one shot. So now what I do is I cut the end of the axle, and you remove it. And that's it. One way you cut the axle from here, or you cut the tire. So now we're gonna cut the end of the axle. Eye protection always. So we're gonna see how this fits. You see, these are the back. You saw it look before. So now I'm gonna show you with the new look. It's gonna look awesome. We're gonna still have to cut. Nice, pretty nice. So I'm thinking that's a good fit. Now we're gonna put some glue on it. Just wanted to fit it, see if it fit. But now not going through. There you go. Okay, so you put just a little bit of glue. Like so. Okay. Then put in the wheel. Make it fit. You spin it. Make sure the axle is all the way in. You could help it by pushing it with another axle. Okay. You spin it. Okay. Pretty nice. Now we're going to try to do the front ones. Perfect fit. Make sure the axles all the way in. Put glue. Make the same thing. You spin it. Make sure that glue gets into the plastic of the wheel. Just let it sit for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So what do you think, guys? How does it look? We're going to have to bust these open. the rivets, but it looks nice. Take it to the finish line. Well, I think it was worth, you know, swapping the wheels, because it does look amazing. A little bit more authentic, I'll say. Alright guys, so this is it. Roadrunner. Alright guys, thank you for watching once again. Till next time, Hot Wheels at Mayorga's Workshop. You could also catch me at omayorga75 Instagram. So yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, and that way I could continue, you know, just making some more videos for you guys. Hopefully I get better at making these videos too. Thank you so much again. I'll be showing you later on a little bit of the shop and some other stuff that I'm gonna do. Till next time, take care.